What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so we're doing more stuff to the Speed today. Super common thing with the Mazdas and like Speeds and just any of these generation of 3s and 6s and stuff is the sway bar end links and sway bar bushings in the rear tend to go, and then they start making a clunking noise. I don't know if I can... No, I can't get it to make it just by like moving the car. But when you're driving, you can hear it. It's like a clunk and then a after. So we're gonna redo those. It also gives us a chance to look under the car because we may or may not have scraped very, very badly the other day. So I'm gonna see if the subframes and stuff are all scratched up. Might undercoat them too because I have black paint just to spray to stop rust. But we'll see. So first things first, she's gonna jack her car up. So we're gonna see if she can figure out where to put it.
See that big metal piece right there? It's right in the center. Let's try that.
That one?
Yeah, but you should probably actually get on it. Yeah, try that. See if it bends, and if it doesn't, you have to tighten it. Yeah. If it doesn't bend, we're good. If it does, stop. Keep going. Lift. You have to put all the weight on it. Keep going. Yeah. Looks like it's staying sturdy to me, so. Yeah, so it looks like one of the end links is like completely toasted and it's now on zip ties, so like right here you can see zip ties holding it.
Alright guys, so like 6 weeks later, we're working on these. So I kind of gave up because well, I started getting the sway bar end links off, and turns out they're very stripped. So as you can see, I had to destroy that nut with vice grips. Didn't work, didn't help anything. So I'm just gonna angle grind it off, hopefully, and then I have to get the one on top. The new ones come with new hardware and everything, so I shouldn't need that. As long as I don't like mess up the sway bar, it should be completely fine. So we're gonna give that a try and see how it goes. There we go. So I'm not going to touch that because it's going to be really, really hot right now. So... Okay, Britt decided she wanted to try.
My turn. Chicken arms.
Little chicken arm having this. Get your head on your bumper. Okay, so we actually got really lucky, and my neighbor was nice enough to lend me his Sawzall, or hacksaw, whatever you want to call it. Luckily my battery from my angle grinder works, so I'm just gonna cut the top nut off, because that's what we just did. I got this side out now, but I need to disconnect this side before we can reinstall them. So I'm just gonna do that really quick. I might get Britt to film a little video so you can see this guy in action. So yeah. So, in about 15 seconds, no, 20 seconds? How long was I sawing for? Just now.
Oh, that just now?
Yeah.
Like 5 seconds?
10 seconds, let's say.
Yeah, sure.
Meet in the middle. It's already done like half an hour's worth of work with the like hand hacksaw.
That's right there.
Stupid ass. So yeah, this is really good, and it's got a metal cutting blade. So the only thing better than this would be a steel cutting blade, but that's okay. So shout out Mark, homie. Oh, asking for another flat tire?
Yep.
Nice. Dollar. Oops. Okay, so to get the sway bar link out, because there's still some threads left, we just do this.
And she's off.
Okay, so after struggling, they are now both out. So we're gonna put the new ones in, and I mean, just look how much damage had to be done to these to get them out. I think that's enough in itself to prove that these were causing a huge clunk in the back of the Speed. I don't know if I ever explained that, but yeah, basically the Speed had a big clunk in the back end, and usually sway bar end links and sway bar bushings go bad on these cars. So we're just gonna do the end links for now. We have the bushings, but Britt has to work in 14 minutes, so we're gonna do this really, really quick together. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell in this, but the sway bar is actually bent on the right side, so it looks like we're gonna have to get a new sway bar, which is okay because now with these new sway bar end links, it'll be a lot easier to get them off. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish this up really quick and then yeah. Okay, so end links are in, we are good. We're gonna do the bushings right there on another day because this one has to go to work. So yeah, this took way longer than expected, way more work than it was expected. Still got some bits and whatever to put on, but figured it out. So this is gonna be it for today's video. Sorry if it was a bit shorter, but kind of a little rush for time. So as per usual, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.